We are sailing on Icon of the Seas. It's our first full sea day, and we'll be addressing a lot of rumors that other people have commented about from their cruise, including being too packed and motion sickness, even though the ship is massive. So stay tuned for our opinions and our experience with that, and to see all the adventures that a sea day has to offer. First full cruising day, we just got up. It's like 11:30. I already lost my voice, but we're going to the spa. We're gonna get a smoothie. It's gonna be a good day. We're here at the spa and we're gonna get a real fruit smoothie. We swear by this for a hangover here, and it's included in your drink package. Powerades, vitamin water, and energy drinks are included too. Alright, we're gonna do this for food this morning. So far we don't feel any movement with the ship. The AquaDome food was a really good place to go when the Windjammer Buffet was a little packed, or you just wanted to be a little bit faster and get a quick bite. Chicken teriyaki with rice.
Mediterranean. It's a chicken with onion, lettuce.
Mac and cheese with broccoli. Caesar salad.
Oh, falling apart.
Look how pretty this is. I'm gonna get a coffee. This bar is so nice. First time having an espresso martini. Everybody talks about it. It's good. I get the hype. Super excited because I felt like we slept in because it was 11:30, but just found out it's actually 10:30. Look at us. It's actually
Early
morning.
risers.
Yeah. I like how they have charging stations. No matter if it's a sea day, the AquaDome was always pretty chill, not packed at all. So this is the place to go if you want to relax and get away from people. We're just trying to figure out what pool to go to. Holy crap, this pool is way too packed for us. That was actually pretty cool. So on a sea day, Crown's Edge is actually more money, but it's still reduced way more than pre-boarding. Even all the way at the tippy top, I still don't feel any movement of the ship. The water park area is pretty congested. We're gonna wait till later on in the day or a port day. The adult only pool is super packed too, but I mean, I guess that's what's expected on the first sea day. So we're at the Swim and Tonic, and the seats on the outside part are actually open, but that pool is packed. It's like,
You wanna sit?
amazed at people. Yeah. Getting the purple tide. At the swim up bar, the Swim and Tonic.
It's really nice. I can't believe we got a seat. It was totally packed earlier, but now there's like 3 or 4 open seats. We're shaded too because it's so hot.
So hot.
We were in the sun for a while, but now it's shaded.
I think this is the first swim up bar at sea.
I think so. I think you're right. That's the one thing I know about this ship.
The purple tide. When you're outside of the pool, it looks overwhelming with how many people are in it, but once you get in it, it's not so bad.
5401. Lancer credit. Thank you.
If you want to swim, not good, but if you want to sit and chill, it's good. We are inside the promenade at the Point and Feather Bar, and we are about to do a scavenger hunt, but we're going to get a drink first.
Alright, we're about to take a shot, then we're going to do the selfie game. We have no idea what it is, but we're going to win.
It's at the Point and Feather, and it's a selfie scavenger hunt.
Chris could get it.
Cruising and no movement on the ship so far.
Yeah.
I was really worried about that.
No, we were worried. Let's go. Thank you.
This is the white port and tonic. 13.
You maybe know everything, but if you can do everything, that would be great. The more you do, the more pizza you take in on.
Alright, we're doing this. We just took a selfie with Pearl. First one done.
I feel like this dog is something.
It's us against lots of kids. Lance is
Selfie
very...
with day of the week. We got to do that on. We got to get on
on an elevator.
Train.
And we got
Oh, you want to show them so they know how to do it in the future?
No cheating. I can't tell you what it is.
We just won the kids only scavenger hunt. Whoop their ass.
So the winning team got 20, and so did we. But it was 2 goals. So
Well, they didn't get the fire hydrant. They got a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, they got one more. It's okay. The world's sexiest man competition is not at the pool. It's in the AquaDome, so do not miss it. Am I getting old or are they like 15? This is creepy.
Let me see it. Okay, stop. I need you at the age of 50. You can do much better, okay? Now, I do have 2 rules. Position number 2. Yeah. Winning the title and a keychain is... In case the world's sexiest man cannot perform the duties, first runner-up will take over. It's Rodney! And it feels so good to be so sexy.
Now they're turning this place into bingo, which can actually get rowdy, just as rowdy as the sexiest man in the world competition. We are getting a big bobo and a guava hot toddy at the coffee bar.
Which is the green color card, and let's modify the pattern first.
Tablets win. Thing to note, if you want to play bingo, everybody who won.
Don't play bingo unless you get a tablet.
Yeah, everyone who won was on a tablet. So, get a tablet. We didn't win. We were going to buy another cruise. They would have got their money back. Actually, we were going to go to Disney, so.
Are you mad at me for making you play bingo right now?
No, it's fine. Breathtaking. We actually missed lunch at the Windjammer, so I think we are going to go over to a Loco Fresh. And sour cream that's been sitting out in the sun all day. I'm going to try a little Chipotle. Definitely a cute little place right by the main pool.
Really good.
Got some fruit punch.
The good though too.
Which is
with the quesadilla.
Oh yeah. The sunset is so pretty. Oh, it's formal night. Get this stud.
Hello.
Hey, here to see Broadway show Wizard of Oz. We just went and saw the Wizard of Oz. We didn't finish it, but it was super good.
It was really good. Just like the movie.
I just had to tinkle.
We don't want to go back because we're awkward.
So we missed dinner in the hall, but we are going to go to the Windjammer because I am not sitting for 2 hours. Hey, I got a stuffed pepper, some Alfredo, fruit, and Lance got a hamburger and fries. Lance got the ice baby.
Ice baby.
Lance said his is so good.
Try it. Tell me what you think. That's good.
It's the raspberry beret. Raspberry. It's good, but I like yours better.
You can't go wrong with the ice baby.
Right outside is Surfside. If you go in there, that brings you to Playmakers. And then here's Adventure Ocean. For the little kiddos.
Is this like the kid place or something?
Yeah. Little games on the wall. It's fun. So we're outside at Surfside and getting a closer look at the playground now that there aren't any kids on it. Surfside at night, whole nother level. Central Park at night is so relaxing and peaceful. I just feel like sophisticated or something. See, now at night you would never know there's like 6,000 people on this ship. Pool's open still.
Probably till 10.
What time is it? Probably 10.
That'd be a nice like end of the night, go in the pool and like
Yeah.
inside too.
We play this little game where, because I don't know, I do feel like the elevators take a long time. And I know it's like the new thing, and I'm sure it's better for many reasons. I'm sure it's great. It felt like before it was fine, but anyway. So,
Unless if you're cursed with kids hitting buttons every time they're on your elevator,
Yeah,
which
like-
happens once a cruise trip, and then it's kind of funny. So
yeah. What we do is if there's an elevator, someone just, if the door opens, we get on it and we just go to that floor. Right?
yeah, we run to it. We just
Yeah.
hop on, and then if we don't like it, then we leave real quick. But,
Yeah, but
usually we're good. We've done
Usually
it today.
it's like top
9
deck
times
or
out of
like
10,
Royal
go.
Promenade.
Yeah, that's where we want to go.
Yeah, it like literally every time it just opens. That's where we want to go. We didn't even press a button. We're checking out the drinks at the Schooner Bar. Oh, let's get wine at Giovanni's. I literally feel like I'm opening the Hocus Pocus spell book.
Thank you. Yeah, winner. Thank you.
¿Qué cruce?
We don't know. We don't drink wine.
Want me to try it? It's the Moscato. Decided we don't like rosé, but we like Moscato. If you don't have the drink package and you just want water, you can go up to any bar and just ask for a glass of water. Also, there's water fill-up stations. All the bars are more out in the open.
You share a cabin with her?
So another late night on Icon, and even with one too many drinks, I really did not feel motion on this ship at all. A lot of people on other Icon cruises were flabbergasted by the motion of the ship, being that it's the largest in the world and it has new advanced technology. I am totally not discrediting anyone who does feel it, but in our personal experience, it did not happen. Also to add, we cruised while a hurricane was on the other part of the ocean, and I really was expecting to feel some motion because of that. As for it being packed, yes, it is during the day at the pools, water park, and in small venues. Otherwise, it was a little too unpacked for my personal liking at times. If you want to swim or do the slides without a long wait, stay out past 4 p.m. At that time, we got the pools basically to ourselves. Like we said in the video, it looks more intimidating on the outside, and once you're in, it's not so bad. The pools are small, but Icon actually had my favorite pools compared to any ship that we had been on, and that's because it has ocean-facing pools or pools with seats. It gave a purpose to be in the pool rather than just standing there staring at strangers in the middle of the ship. But if you really wanted to get away from the crowds, definitely my recommendation is the AquaDome. The food service is super quick. They have the best bar at sea, in my opinion, And there's little elevated cubbies if you really want to get away. The views are out of this world. The venues do get packed at night. If you want a good seat, arrive 15 to 20 minutes before the show starts. Besides the comedy show, most of them had standing room options. Thanks for watching the cruise vlog so far on Icon. This was just our first sea day. Next, we're taking port in Honduras, Costa Maya, Coco Cay, and Cozumel. If this video helps, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.